It is said that a good morning routine is the secret weapon of successful people. So, inspired by the morning habits of famous personalities, I have tailored the perfect morning routine. So, without any further delay, let's get started. As they say, the way to every successful morning begins with the previous night. So it's 9 p.m. and I'm getting ready for bed. Why so early? Well, that's because Bollywood star Akshay Kumar says,
I think it's a very old saying कि रात को जल्दी सोता है आदमी दिन में जल्दी उठता है जो रात को जागते हैं वो उल्लू होते हैं. What time you sleep?
Why do you have to get up so early and torture the world around you?
Well, I'm surprised that you're saying it's called torturing.
Yeah, but-
Mornings are supposed to get up and work.
no, I don't want to be an ullu. So inspired by Akshay Kumar's famous early to bed and early to rise habit, today I am going to sleep by 9 p.m. Now, if you are not used to sleeping early, then it might be a little difficult for you to fall asleep on the first night. But the trick is to keep your phone away, turn off the lights, and just sleep.
What is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
Switch off the alarm.
I'm not used to waking up at 4 a.m., so definitely it was difficult, especially the first 5 minutes. But what worked for me is that I just got off the bed straight. Had I been lying on the bed deciding, snoozing, I'm sure I would have slept again. Also, as Alia Bhatt says, I did not pick up my phone in the morning and check the social media.
So the first thing I make sure that I don't do कि मैं अपना फ़ोन नहीं उठाती हूँ. I mean मैं उठाती हूँ to see the time, but I don't go on social media or I don't go and check. And the reason is very important है क्योंकि मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ that I don't go on social media. क्योंकि अदरवाइज एक थोड़ा सा एक वेरी वियर्ड रूटीन था कि मैं बेड पे ही बैठी रहती थी एंड फॉर हाफ एन आवर आई वुड जस्ट लाइक वेस्ट माई टाइम looking at me social media and you would just get lost and there's no track of time and you're not really like starting the day with a clean mind. You're filling yourself with so much information.
Now, this part was easy, not because I was determined or something, but simply because at 4 a.m. the environment is such that you don't really feel like checking your phone. At 4 a.m. you either sleep back or you just wake up. This I have noticed in my personal life also, that when I wake up late, I tend to pick up my phone and check Instagram. Waking up early, you don't feel like doing so. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is inspired by Rashmika Mandanna.
I tend to drink a lot of water as soon as I wake up. I think almost close to a liter of water just when I wake up in the morning.
1 liter of water, that means 4 glasses. So here it is. Since it is the winter season, I have kept warm water. It's easier to drink. So let's go. It took me 10 minutes to drink 4 glasses of water and it feels good. Generally, we should drink water according to how thirsty we are. But early morning is one time when Ayurveda also says that drink as much water as you can. Not just Ayurveda, today there are numerous studies proving us that water in the morning helps burn body fat, improves the mood and helps evacuating the bowels better. Now I agree, so much water is literally pushing the waist down. So I will see you in a while. Thumbs up to 1 liter of water in the morning. Now we are heading to the next step of this routine, and that has been suggested by Shalini Passi, a new age celeb. Shalini is a health enthusiast and this is what she drinks first thing in the morning.
Thing that I eat in the morning when I wake up, the first thing I drink is ghee. So I have like a shot of ghee first thing in the morning from A to Cow.
So here is the ghee shot exactly how Shalini Passi drinks. Half a glass direct A to ghee. Why she drinks ghee you may think. So let's listen from her.
One glass, half a glass.
Okay, you have
Yeah.
full ghee shot in the morning.
Yeah.
What does it help in?
It's amazing for the skin and very good for the brain.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
And then you have
And
juices.
also intestine, and it also alkalizes the body.
Actually, I got to know that even Malaika Arora does that.
I have either coconut oil or ghee in the morning.
So let's drink this. So it was not as bad as you may think it to be. I think drinking virgin coconut oil will be easier. I think it's a good practice as early in the morning it lubricates your food pipe and intestines. Whatever you will eat later will slide down easily. In fact, in Ayurveda, to treat PCOD, thyroid and arthritis, ghee is prescribed first thing in the morning. So a good ritual to have. Diljit Dosanjh is in love with yoga. He says that yoga is not just stretching, but it's a way to align your body. Nowadays, he can be seen requesting the young generation to take up yoga.
मुझे सिर्फ एक ही रिग्रेट हुआ कि मैंने योगा स्टार्ट नहीं किया बचपन से। योगा चमत्कार है और बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग है, बहुत बड़ी पावर है योगा। योगा तो एक्चुअल जीवन जीने की कला है। जो न्यू जनरेशन है उनको ये मैसेज ना कह लो, मेरा रिक्वेस्ट कह लो कि योगा से बड़ा कुछ नहीं है।
I totally agree. I read somewhere that Diljit does 45 minutes of yoga daily. चलो फिर करिए योगा. As always, you feel amazing after doing yoga. It is relaxing and energizing at the same time. I think it is difficult to make a habit of doing yoga, but once it gets into your system, you don't want to miss it. If you want to lose weight, start doing 10 minutes of Kapalbhati daily. Kapalbhati. You know that, right? The blood flow in the system is equivalent to fast running. Anulom Vilom is great for calming the brain. Surya Namaskar and other asanas not just give a good stretch to your body, but also align your geometry in a way that your consciousness begins to rise naturally. Okay then. The next part of this morning routine is a little scary. No wonder it's coming from Vidyut Jamwal. Cold water bath. Vidyut Jamwal, probably the fittest of all Bollywood actors, is known for his unbelievable stunt. He has learned the Indian martial arts Kalari Payattu. He could be seen taking ice water baths every now and then. When asked, he said that this helps him heal his body after a rigorous training session.
मैं हिंदुस्तानी मार्शल आर्ट करता हूँ कलरी पैट, और उसके भी ना लेवल होते हैं। आप जब सीखते हैं शुरुआत में तो आपको हीलिंग सिखाई जाती है, उसके बाद अटैक सिखाया जाता है। हीलिंग इसलिए सिखाई जाती है ताकि जब आप किसी को मारें तो आपको हील भी करना आना चाहिए। सो यू गेट टू नो द एनाटमी। एक लेवल के बाद आप फिजिकल छोड़ के मेंटल पे जाते हैं, जहाँ पे आप फिजिकल एंड मेंटल कनेक्ट करते हैं। सो जो 18 डिग्री में करने का बेसिक रीज़न यही।
Vidyut believes that a cold water bath reduces any underlying inflammation and swelling in the body. Well, the benefits of cold water bath are many, but the thing is how to do it. Well, this thing seems tougher than written on paper. Okay, so in Chandigarh, the lowest temperature is going down till 7 degrees. And this is no fresh water. This is the water stored in the tank. It's pretty cold. I'm feeling as if I'm going to go through a roller coaster. Oh god, it was actually not easy. When I poured water on my head, it felt like my head went completely numb. It is one of those things that feels difficult before, but once you do it, you feel a sense of accomplishment. And when you go through its scientific benefits, you feel even more motivated to try it. There was a recent scientific finding that I was reading that when you give shock to your body, your brain cells grow. Cold water bath is definitely one of those shocks. Plus it increases metabolism, improves blood circulation and boosts immune system. To make it feel easier, I would start by pouring water on my lower body first and then finish it on the head. Don't think about it, just pour the water. That's the way I have figured out. Now before we move on to the healthy breakfast by the final celebrity, let's talk about a good hair oil that you can apply daily. Check out Nude's carrot seed hair oil. Made using carrot seed oil, wheat germ oil, almond oil, brahmi, aloe vera, castor oil and vitamin E, it is one of the most promising hair oils in the Indian market. That's because of two main reasons. First, that it has no mineral oil, no artificial fragrance, no colors and none of those fillers. Second, it is a very light hair oil. You can easily make it as your regular hair oil. At times, you can even massage this hair oil a night before and then wash it the next morning. To buy it, click the link in the description box and don't forget to use the discount coupon to get 5% off. Since I woke up this morning, I have done quite a few things. Some were quite daring as well. Now I deserve a good breakfast. Shilpa Shetty, the Bollywood actress, also well known for her yoga body, likes to eat a vegan overnight oats in her breakfast.
So I soak oats the previous night with chia seeds and almond milk, and I have a very big high fiber breakfast.
So let's try the recipe. Okay, so the overnight almond milk oatmeal is ready. Let's taste it. It's good. And oats are a great choice for breakfast, no doubt. They are especially rich in beta-glucan, a fiber your gut bacteria loves to feed on. For this recipe, use rolled oats. Chia seeds are an amazing source of omega-3 that keeps your heart and brain healthy. Almonds are a superfood, we know that. If you want to sweeten it, you can use honey or jaggery powder. Taste is really good. Thumbs up. Another plus is that in the morning, you get to enjoy a filling breakfast without much effort. To put it simply, creating any kind of morning routine requires waking up a bit earlier than your call time. That's why they say waking up early is the mother of all habits. Otherwise, most of us wake up already running late for work. And the easiest way to wake up early is to go to bed early. Once you wake up, avoid scrolling through your phone. Drink plenty of water to cleanse your system better. Drinking ghee or virgin coconut oil is also a good idea, especially in winter when the cold air causes dryness in the body. Do yoga. If yoga doesn't excite you, play sports or add in 15 to 20 minutes working out before heading to the office. It gives you a sense of accomplishment for the whole day and also keeps your body fit and mind happy. Taking a cold shower has a plenty of benefits, and I've noticed that some people use hot water even in summer. Avoid that. After your shower, make sure to eat a healthy, filling breakfast. Your body needs proper nutrition in the morning. If you eat deep fried or unhealthy foods, you will end up snacking all day, leading to weight gain. So having a balanced breakfast is a crucial part of your morning routine. Another important learning from this video is not to blindly follow what celebrities promote. Instead, take inspiration from the good things they talk about or do in their real life. Because to shine at that level, they require a lot of self-discipline and hard work. Appreciate that. How an Indian farmer eats. I recently went to Haryana to meet a farmer and see how he eats in a day. To check out, watch this video. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.